As a quick review of the Chemical Guys Sticky Icky car cleaning gel. So this is a super handy solution for cleaning hard to reach spots and with satisfying texture and fresh green apple scent. So it easily picks up dust, crumbs, and debris from air vents, cup holders, console edges, and even keyboards. So just here's the gel. It just fits. So just press and lift and watch the grime stick to the gel, so no mess are left behind. Again, I use this in my car, around the house, even on my laptop keyboard. It works great every time. Again, the green apple scent is refreshing without being overpowering. And the resealable container keeps the gel from drying out. Again, if you want a fun, effective, and easy way to clean tight spots in your car or home, this is a 4-pack. This is a great value. Again, it's practical and satisfying to use, and it smells great, so I highly recommend it.